Hi HRM students, I want to take a few minutes to go over the regalia you will need if you are planning to attend any of the graduation ceremonies. By the way, you may be eligible to attend 2, possibly 3 ceremonies. For all students, there is the university commencement, which is held at the High Point Solutions Stadium, and then there are individual school convocations which will take place at various locations throughout the 5 campuses. The SMLR convocation is one of those ceremonies and is for any undergraduate or graduate student who has completed any of the School of Management Labor Relations programs. This includes School of Arts and Science students who may have completed the HR major. By the way, the School of Arts and Sciences also holds a convocation for students within their school. So there are plenty of opportunities to celebrate. Regalia is what you would typically refer to as cap and gown. However, the regalia you will need also includes a hood. We all know how to wear the cap and gown, but the hood always seems to be a mystery. Before I go into how to wear all the pieces, I'd like to go into what you can expect when purchasing your regalia. If you are an undergraduate student, you should have the standard 1766 red gown. The hood that HRM students tend to have the most is the hood with the white stripe. This hood signifies a Bachelor of Arts degree. Some undergraduates receive a Bachelor of Science degree. The stripe on that hood is a goldish color. It's kind of cheesy orange. Unlike the undergraduate students, the graduate students get a black gown with a hood that has a brownish color that they call dusk. All students are issued the same black cap, but the tassel for undergrads is red and black, and the one for grad students is black. How does this go together? Regardless of which gown you have, the gown is the first piece. However, do not zip the gown to the top immediately. After putting it on, the next step is the hood. The hood comes to a point at the end with a loop in front. The loop attaches to either a button on the shirt, or you can use a safety pin or a button pin to attach it to the inside of the gown and secure the hood. When the hood is secure, you can then zip up the rest of the gown. There is a loop and button toward the back of the hood. You can have someone secure this for you or leave it as it is. Frankly, they never stay put. The last piece is the hat. Secure the tassel to the hat first. Inspect the inside of the hat, as it will tell you where the front of the hat is. The hat's kind of awkward, so those with long hair may want to use bobby pins to secure the hat to their head. And it's kind of dull, too, on its own, so you might want to spruce it up a bit. Some of you may have honor cords or stoles. These can be just draped over the shoulders. Any honor pins can also be attached to the gown. Voila! This may be a lot of detail, but the most important thing is that you plan to attend the ceremonies that will have the most meaning to you and that you enjoy the day. Know that HRM staff will be on hand at the SMLR convocation to help you get into your gown. That's it. See you at the SMLR convocation, and congratulations on your achievement.